This is Math for Living, Unit 3.5. We're going to talk about an alternative to buying a new or used car, and that's going to be leasing a car. Later on, we'll talk about renting a car. Now, when you lease a car, a closed-end lease lets you make monthly payments, and then you have a choice to purchase the car after a number of years. So, for example, you can lease a car for a term of, say, 48 months. That would be 4 years. And at the end of the lease, the dealer will give you the option of purchasing the car at its remaining Blue Book value. Closed-end leases put a lot of restrictions on the vehicle. For example, a lot of times you are only allowed to drive, say, 15,000 miles per year on the car. The dealer wants to ensure that after the term, there is some sort of resale value on the vehicle. So that means you can't drive, say, over 15,000 miles per year. Also, the vehicle depreciates every year. It loses value. So you, in turn, have to pay that depreciation, which is determined by the dealer. And you are responsible for any excessive wear and tear. You don't want to get any scratches on the vehicle. You're going to be responsible for those, as well as early termination penalties if you decide to end your contract early. There are also open-ended lease agreements, but those are usually for businesses. So a business can have a company car in which it's an open-ended lease, and they have that car, they can drive as many miles as they want. So when it comes to you guys leasing a vehicle, it's going to be a closed-end lease. Paying for that includes the number of months, it's a set term, the monthly payment, the initial down payment. Sometimes there are offers such as $0 down in order to lease a car. The car taxes, you're going to have to pay those every month. And we'll estimate that at about 15% of the monthly payment. And, of course, from the last section, the insurance premium. So all told, the monthly cost will be the monthly payment plus taxes plus insurance. Those are things you are going to pay every single month. If we want to calculate the overall total cost over the course of the entire term, that's going to be the monthly payment times the number of months plus taxes. Got to multiply that by the number of months. Plus insurance premium times every single month. And the only other thing we're going to add here is we have to add in that down payment. So that's going to be your total cost. Two different formulas. When you think about leasing a car versus outright buying the car, you're going to want to consider the total cost of the lease over, say, a period of 4 years. And you're going to try and figure out whether it's worth it. That said, Ralph leased a Chevrolet Silverado pickup for 48 months. His monthly payment is $168.97. He had to put $200 down. He pays $80 per month for car insurance, and the taxes are $30 per month. What would be the total cost of the lease over the entire term? Let's use the previous formula, and we'll write total cost equals. This is going to be $168.97 times 48 months plus $80 times 48 months plus $30 times 48 months, and then we have to add in that down payment. Put all of this together, and we get $13,590.56. Next one. Tony leased a Mercedes C-Class for $550 per month. His down payment was $3,800. His taxes were 15% of the monthly payment. I'm going to use that estimate. His car insurance was $85 a month. If the total cost was $25,325, find the number of months. This is a challenge problem because we're going to work backwards. So, let's get that total cost formula down. Number of months times monthly payment. Number of months times taxes. Number of months times insurance plus the down payment. All right. Now, in this problem, we don't know the number of months, so let's make it X. The total cost is $25,325. The monthly payment is $550. The tax, well, we don't exactly know the tax, but we do know it's 15% of $550. So let's throw in that percent equation that we all know. 0.15 times 550, and then times the number of months X, plus $85 a month for insurance, and then plus the down payment. I'm going to solve this by combining like terms. And that's going to come out to $717.5x plus 3,800. Let's subtract 3,800 from both sides. $21525 equals 717.5x, and then let's divide both sides by 717.5, and that will give us an answer of 30 months. Very nice problem because it involves algebra. We got to introduce our own variable x, and then also a little bit of percentage in there. Example number 2. Complete the table which shows car, number of payments, amount of payment, down payment, taxes per month, insurance premium per month, and total lease cost. At this point, I would like you to pause the video, try filling out the table 1, 2, and 3, and then I will give you the answers. Alright, so using our previous formula, the total lease cost should be $12,520. Work backwards just like we did in the previous problem for the BMW, and you should get an answer of 36 months, same as the number of payments. And then the last one, a down payment, is $2,000. There you are. Please comment on this video in order to earn credit, and then have a nice day.